Slash Dalalinga Tamango, naming Kinji Dogani, nga New York ni, Tari nga Injinana Shu Chopachi. We're here to inform you about this year's Dalai Lama Cup, which will be organized by RTYC New York, New Jersey. There will be 13 teams with over 250 participants coming from in-state and even out of the country. So I hope to see you all there at Randall's Island, August 31st, September 1st, and September 2nd. Games will be starting from 8 a.m. and will be ending at 5 p.m. First place winners will receive $10,000, while runners-up will receive $2,000. After celebrating, we will also be doing Gorshe, which is Tibetan circle dance, and there will also be exciting prizes for best Gorshe.
To honor and pay gratitude to His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet.
To develop and promote the game of soccer among the Tibetan youth.
To serve as a platform for younger Tibetans in diaspora to get involved and learn about the Tibetan causes and issues.
To promote and preserve national unity and integrity.
To promote the values of punctuality, manners, hard work, teamwork, and good health.
I'm from Vermont, supporting the Dalai Lama World Cup.
The Dalai Lama Cup gives the younger generation an opportunity to
let them be more outgoing and for them to find resources so that they can contribute to the Tibetan society.